Meaning of fishmonger.
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 Fishmonger. A fishmonger is a person who sells fish and seafood, either from a shop or directly at a market. They are knowledgeable about different types of fish, how to prepare them, and can advise customers on how to cook or store their purchases. Fishmongers may work alone or as part of a team, and will often handle live fish which they will kill and clean for the customer. A good fishmonger will be able to source fresh and sustainably caught fish, and will take pride in providing high-quality products to their customers.